Oh my God, dude, it's a good fish. It's going out. It's just running. It just took a ton of line.
Good morning, everyone. It is cold, it is early, but we are out in Nevada today, and we're gonna be fishing the famous Pyramid Lake. So basically, my buddy hit me up. He's in Tahoe right now, and he was like, hey, if you're interested, I've got a free pass for Heavenly at Tahoe if you want to come down and snowboard for a day. And I was like, yeah, that'd be sick. Obviously, I want to do that, but it's an 11-hour drive from Washington to Tahoe. But then I went and took a look at the map, and I realized Pyramid Lake is within 2 hours of Tahoe. I figured if I could make a Tahoe and Pyramid Lake trip work, that would be ideal. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm actually going to be fishing with a buddy from a new company that I'm working part-time with right now called Curated. I don't know if you guys have heard of them, but essentially you go to their site and you get expert advice on the gear that you want. So I'm working in their fly fishing and their conventional fishing department, just giving people advice, picking out the gear that I think would be best for them, and making recommendations. So it's a really cool site. I'm pretty new to the program, but I'm enjoying it so far. I'll be talking more about that, but I reached out to our group, and sure enough, Kobe hit me up. He lives in Reno, so it's like 30 minutes from Pyramid Lake. He's already out there, caught a couple yesterday. So we're gonna see if we can get a big cutthroat with the Curated crew out here in Pyramid Lake today. It should be super sick. Drove 11.5 hours yesterday, woke up at 4 this morning, drove another 2 hours, and gonna start fishing around 7:30. So fingers crossed for a Mondo cutthroat. Super stoked. Can't wait to get the day started. And thank you to Curated for helping us out for this trip. So let's do it.
Dude, this is crazy.
You just switch off in the water.
And what's the move? Just like put it out there and slowly bring it back in?
No, just let it sit because there's like a shelf.
Oh, okay.
So it'll push everything up against it.
Gotcha.
Push your speed on it.
Cool. This is so wild, man. Alrighty, out here fishing in Pyramid Lake in Nevada. The famous ladder fishing. Kobe got me out here. And we're gonna try and get some cutthroat. This is one of the coolest things I've done. It's gorgeous out here. It's like, I think it's 30 degrees right now, so gonna make the first cast of the day. See how it goes. Oh, this is a first. This is so weird. What about the next batch of rocks past that dude that's standing out there? Okay guys, so we know we're in the right area. The man on the ledge there just hooked up and lost one, and I just had one come up right here, right about where my indicator's at now, and just eat something off the surface right in front of me. So we know we're surrounded by fish, and it was a big fish too. So yeah, this is ideal. I was fishing a good bit further out when he came up and rose, but I'm gonna fish a little closer and see if maybe they're right off this shelf. Dude, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh my God. It's a good one. It really is just dead weight. Oh my God, bro. This is crazy. Oh my God, dude. It's a good fish. It's going out. It's just running. It just took a ton of line.
This net is gonna be interesting.
Yeah, that net's tiny.
Fuck yeah, dude.
It just took a ton of line. Like, it's way out there now.
Oh yeah.
Holy. Holy.
Yeah, dude.
Bro, I'm stoked right now. This is
Yes,
sick.
sir.
Holy
I already know it's gonna be a fatty too.
I saw it. It's a big fish. It's a big fish.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a big fish for here, but it's a big fish.
It's a big fish. A big fish is a fucking big fish.
Oh, dude, I just felt a big head shake and thought he popped. Oh, that scared me.
Fuck. By the way it's acting, I bet you it's probably like 9 to 10 pounds. Just the way it's just burying you.
Yeah. I've got my drag pretty light because I got that.
Yeah.
I got 10-pound leader or 8-pound leader.
Oh yeah, true.
So
Be careful.
I'm being pretty gentle with it.
Yeah, dude, I'm happy you got one though.
Oh my God. Come on, fish. Just let me hold you, please. For the love of
I
God.
wish we had a better net.
Yeah, I know. That's going to be sketchy as shit. That's my trout net.
Yeah, I don't have a premium net either.
Dude, he's just going wherever he wants to.
Yeah, let him, man.
Yeah, I'm taking my...
You're barbless too, so.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's barbless here.
oh God. I wish I didn't know that.
Oh, he's coming right at you.
Yeah, he's running this way.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Oh my god, bro.
Probably as close to a 10, maybe. I don't know.
He just burped. Oh, why are you going back? No, 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 no. And it's barbless. That's terrifying.
There's my bobber scene in the middle of the lake.
We're gonna. Oh, yeah. It might come free. Oh no, he's going for the rocks, dude.
Yeah, there's a rock right in the middle there.
I know. I'm gonna try and keep him high. Oh, come on. I might move to the side of that rock. Oh. Yep. Gonna try not to. I just don't want him getting on that rock. Oh, we're going back over that way now. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah, bro. That's a tank. Oh no. Oh no. Stay pinned, please.
Oh, that's a 10 easy. That's a 10 easy.
Oh no, he's going for one more run. Oh, and he went down. He went down. On the midge. Fuck, my arm's tired. Bro, I'm sweating right now. Oh, don't go for that rock. Don't go for that rock. Get up, get up, get up. Good. Oh, he just burped again. He's coming up.
That's a 10 all day.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Day. Let's go.
No. Oh wait, reel not in water.
Yeah. Look at that little midge in his mouth.
Bro, that's a tank. Holy shit. Thank you.
What's up, bro?
That's so sick. Oh my god.
Alright. Fuck, I'll get your picture in quick.
Yeah, please. If you want to, you can get the big camera if you want.
Yeah.
Dude, this is incredible. Look at this fish.
I'm just gonna keep him in the water.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright.
I'm freaking out. I'm geeking. This is in the midge placement.
Right?
Right in the
barely hooked.
Yeah.
Is this sort of cool? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro.
Look at that.
That's amazing. All right. Yeah, let's get some pictures.
Look at that fish. Oh my god, bro.
All right, I gotta pop the midge out. Still in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, they got some teeth.
Yeah, they do.
Holy crap. There's, dude. Oh, it broke off. It broke off in the net.
Oh my god.
All right. Absolute beast of a fish here in Pyramid Lake. Thank you so much, bro.
Yes.
You're a legend for this. Beautiful fish, man. Holy crap. Wow.
So sick.
Gorgeous. See you,
There you go.
sweeties. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. That's so
Let's go.
sick. You're the man. And it
Holy
broke the net.
That is so lucky.
That's the biggest trout I've ever caught for sure.
Oh yeah.
That was 10.
That was 10 all day.
right?
10
Yeah.
all day. I'd give it 10, 11. Easy.
All right.
Good shit, dude.
Oh, I'm gonna retie
Yeah.
and just sit and take a sip. That's wild.
I'm so glad.
Oh
I got you on
my
one.
god, I'm glad we made
I'm
this
so
happen.
happy.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, dude.
Appreciate you.
All right.
It did good enough.
You were pretty tired by the time you got it to the net, so it's pretty easy.
That was crazy. Bro, heck yes. All right, you got to get one now so I can get some good pics of you with one. Wow. I can't believe how big that was. And look at that, guys. Alrighty guys, well that is a wrap from beautiful Pyramid Lake behind me. We ended up grabbing some lunch, taking a little break, came back out. Sun is still fully bright in the sky and we didn't really get much weather moving in, so apparently that kills the bite. Is that correct?
Yeah, it really does.
So
as soon as there's no weather, the bite just shuts off.
Yeah, it just makes it a little tough. I'm gonna call it a day. He's sticking around because he's a madman. He lives like 30 minutes from here in Reno, so it's not too bad a drive, but yeah, I had that 11-hour drive yesterday. But still, dude, appreciate you.
Yeah, dude.
Taking me out.
Nice getting you
so
on a
sick.
fucking fish,
so sick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna link his curated code in the description down there, so reach out to him if you want to get some fly fishing recommendations.
I got you.
Obviously he knows his stuff because I caught my biggest trout ever today, so make sure you check him out. Appreciate you guys watching and catch you on the next episode.